Site A is located at the edge of Kampong Baru, across Klang River and sandwiched between Akle Highway and Sururo Office Towers. It is connected by Saloma Bridge and Muslim Cemetery, where a significant Malay characteristic can be recognized. The site is surrounded by busy human traffic, where you can see office workers, tourists, Malay community walking along the street throughout day and night. Street food culture is well preserved, as you can find lots of delicious food around the area, and it's a memorable space for the Malay communities. However, it is a buffer zone located right between Kampong Baru and KL City Centre. We can see significant contrast between lifestyles and architecture across the river. You can see kids playing around while people are rushing for their work across the streets. You can see one side of traditional Malay houses and one side of modern high-rise buildings. The traditions of Malay culture have slowly faded away from Kampong Baru towards the city centre. On behalf of Pusaka, the traditions of art and performances are hardly to be seen and obscured by modern arts performance in the current situations. Therefore, we came out with the solution of proposing a traditional art performance training centre that will allow to continue the traditions of Malay performance towards the community and future generations. The design intention of this concept is to pursue to bridge the gap between traditional and modern art performances and raise the awareness towards the community. Public will also get involved into the programs, as well as providing a platform for them to show their talents. We categorize our target users into several categories to allow us to study their needs and routine. Children and teenagers who wanted to explore their interests, local community, and performers who wanted to continue their culture and introduce them to the tourists. Lastly, office workers to reduce their stress after work. The art performing theatre brings exposure towards traditional performances by providing platform for them. Besides that, we also propose spaces to exhibit their traditional performances, costumes, and musical instruments. To achieve the design concept, we propose a training workshop that provides a space for the visitors to develop their talents and to pursue it towards the future. In addition, we also consider proposing live show performances with the intent of integrating the relationship between the performers and audiences. Lastly, an art performing competition and hosted late-night talk shows to attract the people of same interest towards a same space to innovate creative ideas within one another. We took 3 precedent studies in different aspects to help us develop on the designs. We took Explanate from Singapore to study their outstanding sustainability design developed into the building to keep the building energy efficient. Furthermore, we took the Love Medic from Kuala Lumpur to study how it preserved the Malay performance culture through space programming. We also took Macquarie University Incubator from Australia for its flexible and creative construction design.
The training center will be a space for the interconnect between the research of performance arts and provide a stage for the result performed. Hence, the zoning of research and performance is interlinked and assisted by the service and management. The form is transformed to adapt to the weather condition of the site and increase the ventilation of the building. A pilates space also included to maximize the interaction towards the proposed plaza. The entrance is located beside the plaza to increase the intimacy of the building. The Saloma Bridge is a path connected KL City and Kampong Baru. It provides a great opportunity to link the bridge directly to our building. Landscape design will include artificial field for the users in the training center to have outdoor activity. Sustainable designs such as solar panel also will be located at the service block, which are able to avoid the shadow from the surrounding office towers. Entrance to the proposed project road uses a 45-degree angle. The driver can proceed to the drop-off point, which act as a connection with the plaza once passing by the bus car park before they enter to the site. After dropping off, the driver can choose to leave the site by turning right or proceed to the basement car park by turning left to the ramp. After entering the basement car park, there will be approximately 63 normal car parking spots and 4 proposed OKU parking lots. Next, the driveway will be 6 meters in width and moving in an anti-clockwise direction to the exit ramp up. After exiting the basement car park, the driver can choose to leave the site or proceed to the pickup point. Finally, the services are located at the same location of the building for ground floor and basement level. We also propose bicycle lane and covered pedestrian walkway with a smart street light to improve the pedestrian walking experiences and possibly leads to the circulation from Saloma Bridge towards our site. Detention pond and public plaza is proposed to increase the biodiversity around our site and providing a green space to the users. With the consideration of traffic sound delivering towards our site, we also came up with a solution to design a sound barrier along the highway to ease down the sound issue. That's all for our presentations. Thank you.